Hi everyone, my name is Zhao Wu. This is my CSE 3 certified project presentation. First day, I will introduce the project idea. I want to develop a project which can help people to track the information of a bike and the price of bike. People can use it to build their own bike list and build their favorite bike store list. Second, let's talk about a class diagram. This project include many of the different volume control. The main volume control, I call it the main page volume control. My project have core data, three core data, such as the entity, part seat, and bike price. The bike price contain many of NS managed string. It will record each part of bike price. The part seat is record the name of each part, bike part. The entity have a description, location, name, and image. It will record some information from your build bike store. Let's firstly, the main page volume control have a three button. It will take you to the three different volume control. The first is the web volume control. They have two back taps and next taps. This button can take and the next is volume control. The volume control have a custom cell. It's custom cell will serve for the volume control. It helps me to see the detailed information in the list. And they have a button you can go transfer to the add control. Add control is related to the core data entity. You will it can record some information, and then back to the volume control. When you can click each of segment to the detail 12 volume control. It will show the information you storage. And then they have a button can take me to the add computation again, so you can change the information what has already stored. The third one, you can go to the list volume control. List volume control. In the list volume control, it have a function result, part seat, and function result bike price. You can use the system volume control. When you click each part, it will take me to the another volume control, price volume control. The price volume control, such as it will store a lot of information. Yeah, when you click one of it, such as the frame, it will take me to the another volume control. I call it select volume control. It will show the information like a dictionary. It will manage the the model class will serve for this part, and the detail select the volume cell. Also will give some convenience for the sys volume control. When you choose it, it will have a button to get you to the bike price list volume control. This volume control is the you can input image and the name, so you can actually created your own bike list, and then you go to the list volume control. In the list volume control, will collect each part of the list. Will take you to the detailed bike information volume control. Of course, indeed, the bike list cell is the server for the list volume control. For MVC diagram, we have a volume control and model. For the control, will function the passenger seat and bike price entity data from core data, send a new bike data to the core data, and the new store bike data to core data for storage. Update volume with the new data, handle use step and interaction, update volume with the new build or store list information, send the new past seat and bike price to core data, send the new bike store to new data. In the model part, there are some core data storage and object model for the bike price, part seat, and entity read. It will calculate the total price of the bike, and it will calculate the recommendation from the control to the model that notifies that new bike and the bike data information price has changed. Price of the whole bike is completed. From the model to the control part, it will update save new bike, save pre-film information and picture, save new build plan, and save new store list, new part set information, new bike price, and the picture and the name for the new bike store will saved. In the volume part, it will manage the many different various displaying. For example, it displaying the backlist, displaying the detailed information of each bike and each part, displaying data in total form, update the table view cells with the most recent data, show use and bike picture, display the recommendation, display list of the bike store, display each part price of the bike. It also will display and show the web view and the map of the bike store. From control to volume, there is user action such as the tab control button, volume navigation controls, volume and edit cell information, volume map, and choose the image you can select. From volume to the control, it will have some update table view with the new bike or new bike store, displaying some information, and update table view with the new bike store or bike. And another one, there is my final edition of a project. It will show the whole volume control. Then I will show some demo of my final project. I improve it, so it is the final version. There is a main page. You can see you can use the first button, find information on website to see the website. It will connect to the Google.com. In the bottom, there have two buttons, back page and next page. It's also worked. You can see you can use back page to the previous page and next page to the next page button. It's useful. You can use back to the main page and click the check near store and end new store. In this volume control, you can see it is core data. I have already stored two bike store information in it. You can click add your store name like 1, 2, 3 and address is like Arizona. And the recommendation reason, you can see everything like a 5-star. Update the image. This image will choose from the phone or the camera. You can use moment and click save. So the program will save it into the code data. You can click the from cell to see the detailed information. You can see in the bottom, you can see the map. Have two choices to show the different map information. You can use edit to change the information, like you can change 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Arizona to Los Angeles, and update the picture. Yeah, you can. It's changed. You can use back button to the main page again. You can use the track price for each each bike. In the backlist, you can use the top button to add a new bike building. Like from flag, you can choose different part in this one. In the bottom, it will show the total price. You can use the track information to create your own bike. You can give this name, like 1, 2, 3. Select the picture. I want to choose the defeat picture and save. See, it will list. It will show in the backlist. When you click it, you can see the information in it. You also in the tool list, you can see like it still have a clean option in the bottom. You can use this button to delete your own building on bike. That's it. Let's talk about capabilities and limitation of this project. This project can build and store the bike store. Moreover, it also can track the information and price for each part of bike, then calculate the same of price of bike, and store and build our own list. Hi, let's talk about capabilities and limitation of this project. This project can build and store the bike store. Moreover, it also can track the information and price for each part of bike, then calculate the same of the price of bike. We also can build our own bike, builder and store it into the list. This is two sprite list, the bike list and bike store list, so it is easy to track what information we needed. It will save our time. However, for the limitation, this project is not related to iCode. I did use this technique. For example, I cannot upload and download code data from iCode. All data need to create once again if I change the computer. For the lesson learning, there is a positive lessons that building a great project plan before actual project work begin is important for whole project. Because of it, provide a baseline understanding of the project, include the scope of the project, deliverable, what we need, and the necessary work required. It is an easy way to help me to realize what the project proposal is and what it is. There is a negative lessons that do not try to finish the project on the deadline because I'm not sure whether I can complete them on time. Do not try. For the last suggestion for improvement for the class or project, I have some suggestion for this class. The classroom projector is too dark. If I sit in the back of the classroom, it is very hard to see what PPT show. I guess I suggest that the relevant department of the college can improve it as soon as possible. Another one is the assignment is good and the library is excellent, but I recommend to increase some teamwork assignment. It can offer lessons about teamwork. Finally, for the project, I hope I can use the iCode to store some important data, and I think I can prove the UI because I don't have a background picture for the each volume control. That's it. Thank you for watching.